Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about calling in to your Blog Talk radio show if you are doing a live broadcast. Now you are inside of the studio right now, and you'll notice that there is a call-in number, which obviously you can use from a telephone, you can use from a mobile device, or you can use from a phone number that you're using on your personal computer. But you will also notice that there is a Skype emblem, and that is because you can actually connect through your Skype account to Blog Talk Radio. That means that you can conduct your Blog Talk Radio show using your Skype account. And typically, using your Skype account, you can produce a clear sound. So using Skype can be to your advantage, but one of the things that you will need to know about that is that if you were to click this, that this is a premium feature. So you will need to be using one of the paid accounts in order to use Skype. This also will allow you to be able to both chat with the people as they call in, as well as connect to your Blog Talk Radio account with one click. Now, if you are away from your personal computer or you are away from your home office, you can always use your mobile device in order to call in, and you can do that using the prompts given to you audibly on your phone. So again, once you determine what kind of account you're going to use in order to start with, just note that you can call in and produce your Blog Talk Radio show using any of the ways, including Skype or telephone. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.